How to delete blank pages on Microsoft Word. Hello everyone, in this quick video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can delete blank pages that are on the middle of your documents on Microsoft Word. So first, you have to open your document and find where the blank pages are. So in my document I have these 3 blank pages that I want to remove. So the first thing is you have to bring out your navigation pane. You can do this by 2 methods. So the first one is if you go ahead and click on Layout and click on View, you can see different options right here. On the View tab, you will see this ruler, grid line, and navigation pane. You just have to select the navigation pane and this will pop up right here. So once you do that, you can see all of your blank pages really easily. The second method to bring out your navigation pane is if you click on pages that is on the bottom left corner of your screen. It will bring out the navigation pane. Now what you need to do is select the blank page that you want to delete and then go ahead and click Ctrl+G. It will open up your Go To tab, and on the page number you have to enter \page. So what this will do is it will take you to your current page and click on Go To. And once you do this, it will select all of your entire page and just simply click on backspace. Once you do that, as you can see, I had 3 blank pages before, now only have 2. Now if I do the same thing, press Ctrl+G to open your Go To and type in \page and Go To. It will select the entire page, and if you just press on backspace, it will delete the page. Now only 1 blank page is remaining. You can do the same thing again, Ctrl+G and type in \page and press on backspace. Now all of the blank pages have been deleted. You can do this for any of the page. So let's say if I want to delete this specific page, I'm going to do the same thing and enter, and it will remove the entire text or the entire page from my document. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I will see you guys on the next one.